Good morning, everyone. How are you doing today? It is that day of the week again. It's Friday, or no, Saturday. I'm already starting off this vlog and messing up my English. It's very rainy today. But yeah, I'm gonna vlog today. Hey, yo, Gucci's. Come here. Winston is the only pup in the house this week because Kiva is with my parents. I actually took her over to my parents last Sunday, so she's already been there for almost a week. But yeah, this is my baby. This is my other baby. He's been the only pup this week, and I'm not sure if he'll be the only pup next week because, guys, we got the house. We got the house. We got word of it 2 days ago. Today's again Saturday. We got word that we got the house on Thursday, and I'm so excited. We've already signed the lease. Again, we've rented this house. We're not buying as of right now. We signed the lease on Thursday, and then Friday we paid all the move-in fees and prorated rent and stuff. But yeah, we're moving in next week. By the time you watch it, it'll be this week. I don't know when we're actually gonna be moving in, but it's gonna be really soon. It's already signed. The babies are gonna have their own backyard. It's just gonna be amazing, and I'm so incredibly excited about it. What? Yeah. He's very vocal. He's the most vocal dog. I thought Kiva was vocal. He's more vocal than Kiva is. What I wanted to quickly show, before we get too much further into this video, we have a sponsor. I'm so incredibly excited because we are working with Vivaya again on this video. They graciously sent me over 2 pairs of shoes this time to unbox and review for you guys. I have worked with Vivaya in the past, and I really like their shoes. So I wanted to go over these with you guys and do a little unboxing and show you with an outfit. It'd be a fun time. So we're gonna start with this one. Right here, and the box is still really nice. You open it up, and then it has a little card right here. It's a sustainable brand, which is fantastic. Here's what they look like. I picked these out, and these ones right here I really wanted to try. I'm so excited that I got these. Here's what they look like. These are just so beautiful. They had the little V on the side right here. And I love the heel. The little block heel is so cute. These are the square toe. I love a square toe. Square toe chunky heels. These are the Melody 2.0. I've already tried these on, and they're really freaking comfortable. I will show you in a close-up when I pair them with my outfit, but these are super comfortable. I got a size 39 European, which I believe is a size 8, 8.5-ish in American sizes. And these are in the color nude peach as well. And then I also got, in this box right here, I got these. I am absolutely in love with these. These are so cool. These are water resistant boots, and they're sock boots, you know, the ones that kind of look like you're wearing a sock. Look at this heel. This is such a cool heel design. It's a block heel, so it is going to be very comfortable, but I love the cutout shape. I also got a size 39 in these as well, and I got them in black, and these are called the Square Toe Water Repellent Booty, and they're the Regina, I believe that's what they're called, Regina 2.0. They're water repellent. I can wear them outside. I'll wear them today because it's raining outside. I just want to show you these in general. I mean, they're both like this, but they're really flexible. So they're kind of molded to your foot, and they're made for comfort. And then these ones right here, they're also pretty malleable and flexible. So now that I've shown them to you, let me go ahead and try them on and give you a little close-up. So here's what these ones look like on, and I wanted to quickly also mention the Vivaya Official's Instagram. You can definitely follow them over there and learn about other discounts that they are doing on their end. But yes, here's what they look like on, and they're so comfortable. As you can see, they're not coming off my heel or anything. They really mold to your foot, which is fantastic. I also wanted to let you guys know I do have a 10% off discount code with them. It is VLOVE, so you can enter that for 10% off your purchase. And I just really want to thank Vivaya again for sponsoring this part of the video. It's been a joy working with them, and I really appreciate it. All right, we are off to get breakfast / lunch. It's kind of that time of day. Here's my outfit I wanted to show you. I have on this camel colored kind of brown sweater. I've got on just some black slacks, pants, and then I've got on my Vivaya booties. They're so freaking cute and I love them to pieces. I'm actually not wearing socks with these because I don't feel like you need to. Normally when I wear boots, I feel like I need to wear socks with them or else they're not comfortable, but these ones, I'm just barefoot inside and they're really, really comfortable. So we're gonna go get food and then yeah, that's it for now. I do have to do a Target pickup order here in a little bit, but that's it for right now. Good morning everyone, it's now Sunday and the packing has started. We have been up today, well I've been up today packing a lot of stuff. I've got this part of my desk already packed. I've got some stuff over here packed. I've got some of these boxes. I've got a big box. Hello baby. I got these boxes from Lowe's this morning and I've already filled one. As you can see, the entertainment system is clear. This is clear up here and then the stuff we had here is cleared off. I kind of worked on this section, put those away. Oh, all of the mugs and glasses are out except for ones that we use every day. And I do have a couple of clean ones in here that we can still just use and, you know, grab from because the plates and stuff will be one of the last things to go, obviously. And I've already kind of got this cleared out. This is pretty much empty already. I've got that big box over there. I've got these boxes. Those are just my boxes that I had at the house. I've got these boxes down here. And then I do have these up here. These might be used. I'm not entirely sure. These are empty. I don't have anything in these yet, but I'm currently working on the bathroom. I've got this right here already pretty much cleaned out. This is what I'm tackling right now because it's a lot, but there wasn't as much. These are things I use pretty often and don't want to pack up just yet. But this is also stuff that I use pretty often. Q-tips, a lot of my essential hair care stuff. This right here is completely empty. And then these two drawers right here are also empty. So I'll take you with me to kind of sort out this to see what we're gonna do with it. Okay, well it's actually a lot easier than I thought, this little area, because literally all of this is garbage. It's just been sitting in here for 2 years, just garbage. Okay, let's get a garbage bag. Raph started packing too. He's packing up his board games. Man, yeah, I really hope this box doesn't break. Yeah, it's a lot of stuff in there. Hello.
Hi, it's a mess in here.
Are you excited, babe?
Yeah.
You excited to move?
I guess. Yeah, come with. There you go.
And then I'm gonna go in here. This is kind of what I'm doing now. Oh, the bathroom is done. We only have just like a couple of things that I have set out that are like essentials that I use like nearly every day. So that part's good. And then here's what we're looking like in the box right now. This, I'm kind of making a pile of things I'm gonna donate because there's like a Goodwill kind of close to us. I'm also just kind of keeping a couple of things in here that I wear just to kind of have stuff to wear throughout the week. Oh, yeah, these right here gotta go. I always forget that I have these like faux leather leggings. I love those. I think that's gonna be it for this box. I don't want to like make it too full and then it fall apart. Oh, now we're out of tape.
Okay, so do you want to go get it or do you want to...
We're out of tape.
What do you want to do?
Yeah, we can do it.
Let's go get it.
I'm sorry if this part's really dark. There's not much light in this area, but I'm gonna try to tackle a little bit of the pantry. I don't know what I'm gonna be putting in this box. right now, because some of these we do use, a lot of them we don't. I do think I can probably start putting the food in this box. This is what I got in here so far. Rice cooker, kettle, some extra Nespresso pods, Vietnamese coffee, dog treats, and some black sesame seeds. I'm gonna try to figure out what to do with this down here, and I don't know what to do with cans. I'll try to figure it out. It's time to tackle the closet. I've actually already done my shoes. I just left out a few that I wear pretty often. So I am now going to try to do this. Put all of my clothes in this box. We shall see how it comes along, because I don't know how it's gonna work. Good morning, it's Kenzie now from super far in the future. It's actually Thursday and we move tomorrow. Tomorrow is Friday, January 6th. That's our moving day and we've got pretty much everything all packed. Like everything is good to go. The only things that we haven't finished packing yet are things that we need to use like tomorrow morning, because the movers are gonna get here at like 8 a.m., 8:30 a.m., something like that. So look, all the boxes. This right here is a Wayfair shipping box because we ordered a chair. But yeah, all the boxes have been packed. There's some over here. Also, we have literally no walking space anymore. The hallway, which, you know, is pretty bad. These right here are boxes. They're gonna come too. And I ended up putting the cans into these bags. But here's the chair that we got. It'll look really nice once we actually get it into the new house, but it's really cute and it's big. I think we're gonna put it either in the living room or in my office. I'm not entirely sure, but you guys, that's the video. I know that it kind of ended a bit abruptly because I just didn't film anything else. So yeah, I will end this vlog here, and next time you see, we'll be doing move-in part 2, which I'll probably start filming tomorrow because tomorrow's move-in day. So I'll start filming that vlog tomorrow. You guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, then go ahead and click up the like button for me, and then subscribe if you want to, and be sure to ding the little bell down there so you're notified every time I upload. And you guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!